Hey, San Marino. I'm Johnny Chimera, and I'm here with.
Coach Franklin.
So, Coach Franklin, can you give us a little overview of the summer baseball program and what are kind of like you guys expect to know when you join?
Yeah, summer baseball programs just to keep kids active, get them out here, getting reps, introduce new guys to the high school or the program, to what we do, what we expect, and get all the returning guys, just keeping them moving, keeping them progressing, and getting better with everything they do.
Definitely, yeah. So, what do you think you guys' main goals are in the overall program, both in like individual player development and in the team culture?
Yeah, summer is very built off of our skill development. So for the younger guys, it's teaching them the new drills that we do because at the high school level, it's a little bit different than at the lower levels. For returning guys, it's helping them master the skills that they've learned. But just big on skill development, getting stronger, getting faster. Learning the game. In terms of team concept, it's just kind of creating a baseball IQ, understanding what to do with the baseball, how to play baseball. I know they've been playing baseball their whole life, so they know the basics. But once you get to that higher level baseball, it's different. There's a lot of niche things that kind of go in with it.
Yeah, talk a lot about like training players, especially for the higher level. What do you think the summer program can help players achieve when they go to that higher level?
Obviously, strength definitely. Strength and speed. I mean, kids, especially in high school, that they grow. I see them every year from freshman to sophomore year. They get bigger. Sophomore, junior, even bigger, and then senior year, they're basically grown men by the time they become seniors. So just seeing them grow, helping them develop muscles. But I think what benefits our kids is going into, if they do go and decide to play some college baseball or higher level baseball, they have the IQ to do so. They know the footwork, they know the drills, they know the fundamentals of the game and become masters of the fundamentals rather than just going out and playing. Obviously, that's a big part of it. It is a game, so kids are out here going to have fun. We're gonna have jokes. We're gonna play. But it's teaching a work ethic, teaching commitment, teaching the ability to perform.
Yeah, you're talking a lot about like the skills on the field, and then at the end they went a little bit into like the work ethic. Can you give us more of an idea on like what skills on off the field you want the players to achieve by the end of the summer?
Yeah, I mean they say it all the time. You've probably heard it before. Baseball's a game of life. You have to deal with failure. You have to learn to handle adversity, and that's what we try to do. We try to teach them to be the best people that they could be.
Yeah.
Work ethic. How do they handle failure? Are they going to throw their glove and get upset and pout, or are they going to, all right, I made a mistake. How do I learn from that mistake? How do I get better from that mistake? And that's really what we teach. It's not necessarily about how well you do or what you do. It's more so how do you react based off of what you do, both positive and negative. I don't want to have showboaters going and showing up another team. So it's you win and lose with the same pride and mentality.
Yeah. So we talked a lot about like the skills players learn. Just for the final question, can you go a little bit into the actual like drills and kind of like practices you guys do in the camp itself?
Yeah, I set it up. We play or we have our clinics Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Mondays are very big on just individual skills. So it's infielders are going to really work on infield drills, work on different concepts, work different rotations. Outfielders are going to work on their reads. They're going to work on hitting cutoffs, different things there. We get them working in the cages as well. Wednesdays we try to put all that together. Like today we got a scrimmage going, so they get to kind of show what they've learned and put it into an actual game setting. And then Fridays, we just do high reps. So it's a lot of BP on the field, a lot of live ground balls, a lot of live fly balls, and a lot of live base running. So I kind of split it up into days so they could really see their progress, see their improvement to just help them grow.
Well, thank you so much, Coach Franklin. If you guys are interested at home, make sure to join the summer baseball camp, and I'll see you later, San Marino.